In the World Immunization Week, I would like to stress upon the significant role that vaccination can play in preventing one of the most common cancers of women. Cancer of the uterine cervix affects nearly 600,000 women every year globally. This cancer is caused by human papilloma virus, or HPV in short. HPV is also responsible for genital cancers, anal cancers, and oropharyngeal cancers in women as well as in men. There is a very effective and safe vaccine available to prevent HPV infection, which in turn will significantly reduce the risk of all the cancers caused by the virus. The WHO recommends that every adolescent girl should receive 2 doses of the vaccine before reaching 15 years of age. In some countries, the vaccine is recommended for adolescent boys as well. At IARC, we are involved in 2 important research projects related to HPV vaccine. We are part of the collaborative group conducting the phase 3 trial of a novel HPV vaccine produced by the Serum Institute of India indigenously. We are also leading a trial in India to evaluate if a single dose of the vaccine will be as protective as 2 doses. The initial results of both the trials are very encouraging. Positive outcomes of these 2 trials are expected to improve affordability of the vaccine and mitigate the current crisis in vaccine supply, especially for the low and middle income countries.